To fix this problem, what you have to do is to head straight to your phone menu and just try to search for the app. When you find it, use your finger to tap on it for some while, and this is going to pop up. When it's pop up, tap on application details, and after that, tap on force stop. Now, tap on OK, and after that, tap on permissions. Make sure you tap on the storage, then you tap on allow. Now go back after allowing every permissions. Tap on notifications, make sure that notification is still good on. Go back, tap on storage and cache, then you tap on the clear cache. Now you go back, then you tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi, and make sure background data is still good on. So after doing all this, what you have to do is to check for the update on Google Play Store. So when you get to Google Play Store, try to search for the name of the app and try to update it. So after updating it, tap on your power button for some while, then tap on update or tap on reboot. If you have restart too, you can do same thing to restart your device. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next video, and this is how to fix the problem.